Ready to unlock peak performance and streamline your team's workflow with Hubstaff? Hey everyone! In the next 90 seconds, we're diving deep into Hubstaff management, giving you the administrator's guide to mastering this powerful platform. First up, team member setup. Click People in the left-hand menu, then add member. Enter their email, name, and role. Assign them to relevant projects. Don't forget to set their pay rate under the Pay Rate tab, crucial for accurate payroll later. Next, let's tackle project management. Navigate to Projects and hit Add Project. Give it a clear name and description. Assign team members to each project. Now, tasks inside a project. Click Tasks and add tasks. Be specific. Clearly define what needs to be done. This helps with accurate time tracking. Time for organizational settings. Go to Settings, then General. Configure work hours, breaks, and time zones. Under Features, customize activity monitoring preferences. Screen capture frequency. Append URL tracking. Adjust to your team's needs and company policy. Now, for the really good stuff, reports. Click Reports. Explore the Time and Activities report for a breakdown of time spent on tasks. The Apps and URLs report reveals where your team's focusing their attention. Use this data to identify bottlenecks and optimize workflows. Finally, Attendance and Payroll. The Attendance tab lets you view check-in and check-out times, and the Payroll section helps you process payments based on tracked hours. Remember to integrate Hubstaff with your favorite accounting software for seamless payroll management. And that's it. You're now equipped to manage Hubstaff like a pro. Remember to consistently review reports and adjust settings to continually refine your team's performance. Thanks for watching.